What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you seen the last video, I came from a road race meet last night. I was out till like 1 in the morning. Then I had to get up early this morning to wash my car, and now here we are. We head into the monthly Detailing World meet, hosted by Detailing World. Then afterwards we got a cruise, and I don't know where we linking up after that, but then after wherever we link up at, me and my car group Jack Boys, we having a photo shoot today. So of course I brought the camera to get some content and record it to show y'all guys. But yeah, I'm on the way to Detailing World. I'm almost there. So once I pull up, I'll show y'all what pulled out today. All right, alright, y'all, so nothing too crazy out here. It's just the usual people that normally show up. Type R right here. It's 2 more Type R's all the way back there. It's Bink Z, 2 more Z's right there. This is clean though. Clean as hell. Whew. Civic, Genie. I like this GTI right here. Another Civic. Another Civic right here. I love that blue right there. Then you got my guy Green Genie right here, Jay. Another Civic. J-Mo car. And my car. Maddie finally brought her damn Mustang out today. And then Mustang group brought all their cars out over there. There's a lineup of Mustangs. But yeah, nothing crazy here. Once we start the cruise, I'll start back recording. Alright, y'all, so we headed out on the cruise now. It's a lot of us, so who am I following? Am I going that way? Hopefully my battery doesn't overheat, because it's a 20-minute drive, so we shall see. We lost like half of the crowd already. Bro, J-Mo Audi is so damn clean. Like, I rarely ever see clean Audis. Like, he just made it so simple, yeah, but it's like, it looks so good. So actually, they just texted me while we was back there in traffic that we went the wrong way. But the reason we went the wrong way was because it was 2 separate groups leaving, and one of the groups got in the middle, so we didn't see which way they went. So like, we went the wrong way. So it's supposed to be a lot more than the people I'm with, but they went like the back way. Look, there go the other group right there.
Now where your handicap stick at, bro?
Huh?
Where your handicap stick at?
I ain't got one.
You lying?
I ain't got no handicap stick.
Park in the handicap.
Why would I park in the handicap?
Park right here, bro. Let's talk about it. I want to see this fucked up lip. And I'm ahead, but yeah.
All right, so change of plans. Photo shoot got canceled because some of the people didn't show up. So we are rescheduling for another day. But so what me and a few of them gonna do, J-Mo, Tristan, Zell, we're gonna go hit some back roads instead, get some more content for y'all. So hope you guys enjoy some more back roads, POV driving content. The wind too much, so I'm gonna roll the windows up. But I feel like I need coilovers or something. Like the car feel a little loose in the turns. Like it could use a little bit more firmer suspension on it. So I really do want to lower my car. I do. But the speed bumps and all the stuff that I drive over like day to day, like I already broke my splitter today. I'm gonna show y'all, but like if I lower it, it's gonna be even worse. Like the roads here are just so bad. Like it makes no sense, bro. But I still want to lower it. I really do. But I don't know. I'm gonna look into it. But I could still just add the coils just for the stiffer suspension. I might not even just lower it for real, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, if y'all enjoying the video so far, make sure y'all leave a like. I'm gonna try to start doing stuff like this a little bit more often. Give y'all some different stuff, like I said, more content to watch, things of that nature. But yeah, let's get back to these back roads. I swear it was not supposed to rain today. I don't know why it's raining. It literally just said partly cloudy all day and now it's raining. The weather here be so dumb, bro. It's crazy. creepy as hell. Man, that's a nice ass house. That house is beautiful right there. Oh my God. Bro, that was an AMG GT and I think that was a E92 M3. It sounded like he was supercharged too. Oh my, that was crazy. I did not expect to see that. Bro, this shit fun as hell. How much time is that? 13 minutes? Jesus Christ.